Hello YouTube fans, this is Denise and I'm tuning in, and today I want to share with you some beautiful finds that I got in my house over the year. So what you're looking at right now is an antique style shelf, and if you look closer you can see that a lot of the books that I have, which were gifted to me from the Free Library of Philadelphia, if you go in there on the certain time of the year, they will allow you to take the books for 25 cents a piece or for free. And I am a history buff, so just to let you see some of the titles here, some of my favorites are The Story About the Fords, The Man Who Played God, the story about the Gladstones, things about the environment, and a lot of ancient books like the Holy Bible, the Quran, the Jehovah's Witnesses, and some of these books right here. For example, this one, I can't really see the title. Okay, here we go. It's called 12 Steps. It's called 12 Steps and 12 Transitions. And that's an Alcohol Anonymous book. But if you read those books, you'll understand how all those ancient books all line up together. So give me a second here. I want to kind of make this a long video. Oh, here's another one right here. How to clear your clutter with Feng Shui. And this particular item right here, the 7 spiritual laws of success. So those are some of my finds, and a great thing too to get is you find all the old encyclopedias, and these books will tell you about your history, about my history, where we come from, and it is good to get all of the ancient books because that is who we are. We're ancient. So moving along, I'm